Hey, good morning. I was at the sheep pen this morning and I didn't see Ignacio, which is what I call my little sick one. And so I asked my helper, um, where was she? And he's like, well, because she's sick, she gets more of the treats and, more of the alimento. Because she doesn't eat a whole lot of pasture. She'll eat some, but to keep her going, um, she's she likes the other grains, still healthy grains. So she's over near the bodega, which is our little shed here, and here I see her now. So Ignacio, hello, hola, hola. How are you? Are you feeling better? I see you're eating and walking. So she stays close to where the food is. And but yesterday she went out to pasture with the others, so I was happy about that. But she's walking and she's eating and she's drinking, so she's doing much better than she was. She's still thin, and but she looks like she's already gained some strength back. Yeah. So um, I don't know. She might go out to pasture with the others today, or she just might stick around. But as Arsenio says, she's special. So, oh, it looks like the sheep are